I didn't plan on editing and uploading this video, but since I have the clips, why won't I share it with my amazing audience like you? Welcome to my channel. This is 360-degree baking explore. Here I teach you to become expert at pastries and local snacks making. So let's get at it. For this recipe, I'm making egg buns known as egg roll. This is protein rich egg buns or egg roll. As you know, the full recipe will be in the description section. So this snack was a quick snack, so I just decided that I was going to share. So after mixing all my ingredients with my flour, I added coconut milk. This is rich and nutritious and buns recipe, so make sure that you don't over mix and you get your dough perfectly. Add your liquid little by little. Remember, you want to make a dough and not a batter. After then, you set it aside, and now back to our egg. One thing about making egg buns is that make sure that your egg is hard boiled, like make it boil very well. It should be hard boiled. Doing this, it will make it easy for it to peel, and you won't have any issues wrapping it with your dough if you want to make your egg buns. You can also damp it to make it dry with a neat towel. Now it's time to wrap our dough around the egg. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Like, subscribe, and also share this video to someone that might struggle with making egg buns. So then now this is the first method of wrapping the egg buns. Because you place your egg and make sure that you lubricate your hand, press it a little, and then draw your dough over the egg gently while rotating it gently. You have to be careful here. You can see the reason why your egg has to be hard boiled, because if the egg is soft, definitely it's going to break. So gently just wrap the dough around it and move it around till it covers it completely. Here you'll be able to reduce the dough quantity if it is too much, especially if you are making it for commercial purpose. And then after wrapping, make sure you knot it. Make sure you close up the tip so that your egg does not get exposed, because if your egg gets exposed and it gets into the oil, it could lead to accident, because it's going to splash, it's going to burst, and that could be very dangerous. Now the second method, almost similar, just pressing your egg, press it in and then cover it immediately. This method is kind of faster. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, thanks so much for watching. Let me know where you are watching from in the comment section, and if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section. You can see that my oil is not too hot, and this is deep frying. So this is the way your egg buns should be dancing in the oil. Use enough oil, be generous with your oil. This was so delicious, it was so yummy. I told you I didn't plan on making the video, so I didn't show you the inside. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and see you again in my next video. Bye bye.
The ovens glow, the mixers hum. In every batch excitement comes, exploring flavors.